Hey friends, it's Sean from MindPossible giving you an update on my telekinesis activity in 2019. It's been a while since I posted a new video here, but for all my subscribers, I just want to let you know that I've just recently been part of a movie, sort of a documentary about human abilities called Superhuman, and it's created by Caroline Corey, starring the talented actress Rachel Brooks Smith. And at a great time, my part in this movie was to teach people how to do telekinesis. And the movie features other psychic abilities like remote viewing and things like that. If you go to their website, you'll see who else is going to be in the movie. And if you go to their Facebook page, and the link for that is in the comments section below, and like that page, you'll get updates about the movie, how it's doing in post-production, and when it's going to be released. So check that out. Another thing that I'm working on this year is writing a book to help people who want to teach telekinesis to groups. Because I can only do so much in terms of showing you what I can do, but I'd rather teach you how to teach other people so we can spread this knowledge far and wide throughout the world. So if you're interested in that, what you want to do now is focus on the books that I've already written, Defy Your Limits and Meditation X. Go through those exercises, get to know the books really well, so that when I release my third book on how to teach this to groups, you'll be ready to take the plunge and become a telekinesis teacher. And if you're interested in developing your psychic abilities in other ways, separate from telekinesis, I just released an amazing new course on remote viewing. If you don't know what that is, it's a way of using clairvoyance or psychic perception using a specific protocol that was actually developed by the US government in the 1970s to spy on the Soviet Union. And the Russians were doing the same thing to spy on America back then during the Cold War. But now people are out there teaching it. I'm teaching it. It's an amazing skill. It's an amazing way to use your natural ability. And if you're interested in it, just go to my site, either mindpossible.com or mindpossiblecourses.com, to sign up for the free trial for the course so you can get a peek at some of the videos. And if you want to get it, there's a coupon that expires on Valentine's Day. It's Remote Viewing Friends for 75% off. And hopefully you take advantage of it, because if you're serious about training yourself in a steady way and becoming more psychic, this is the way to do it. All right, friends, take care.